Hi. 1 week ago, I wrote some lines in Norwegian about how we have so much time. And I want to share it with you in English. And I have to take now and then a quick look at what I wrote and come back to you. And hopefully it works out fine. But what I wanted to share was that now, during this COVID-19 situation, we can't be together as much as we want. We have to keep the distance. We can't get into the car or train and visit people we love. We can't even be with friends as much as we want, because we have to keep the distance. But the very good news is that relationship is not, or the only way to be loved in a relationship hasn't only to do with being close physically. But what we have to do is to find other ways of expressing love and being together. It's like water, actually, relationship from soul and heart. It has to find new ways to reach out and make someone feel loved. I find it very new and unusual to spend so many hours at home. I created my home office, and suddenly I thought to myself that, wow, now I have all this time that I've been longing for so many years of my life. The time is here and the time is now. The time is in my living room. It's in my kitchen. It's here with me now in my home office. The time has found an eternal way into my soul, or at least I discovered this element these days. We can't measure the time. We can't put it into a box or a photo album. But we can feel it. We can feel friendship, and we can feel relationship. It's an immaterial size, this time we're longing for. And now I can do whatever I want with this gift, this time. I can pick up the phone and call someone I haven't had time to call for so many years and say, "Hi, how are you? How are you doing? Are you healthy? How's your family?" And maybe this exact call will change some lives and make another person smile. I can say, "Do you want to go for a walk with 1 meter distance?" That's possible. At least here in Norway, we're allowed to do that. The time is the eternity and the universe in one, as I see it. And you and I have got this time as a gift, this time element. It's a gift, really. We can hate it. It can be so brutal to spend too much time alone. But the distance itself doesn't have to be the thing keeping us apart. Maybe the loneliness will become less lonely if we pick up the relationship and send it in some way to another soul out there. So please consider to give your light to another person, because now it's the time. Now we have the time. You and I. Everything is possible between two souls, two relationships. Thank you.